Alright, what's up everyone? Today I'm working on the secondary air injection system on my car. I'm taking it off, cleaning it, and putting it back on. So there's a few things you should see. Here is the pump itself. There are 3 bolts that hold it on. It's 1, 2, and 3. Sits like this in your engine bay. There's 2 connectors you got to pop off there. That's not too bad. Alright, you can see I got a temporary block-off plate on there while I work on my car so nothing gets in the engine. The bottom right bolt is the hardest. The way you're going to want to attack that is take your T30, stick it in long ways, and then take a pair of pliers and twist it like that. And it's going to take some time, but by far that is the longest, hardest part of the project. To get this off of the car, there's 2 15mm nuts, and you don't need to take the bumper off of the car. You just need to take off the belly pan, and you can get right up in there. But anyways, I try to keep these quick and helpful. It's not too bad of a job. Obviously you got to pull the battery box out and whatnot, and this is clamped on a few places. Just pop those off, and you can just snake this out. But before you snake it out, make sure you pull the connector off so you don't tear it, and then it won't be usable. Alright, take care everyone.